It is 10 to 6 on Monday, the 22nd of April. We are waiting for Long to come and pick me up. He's going to take us to Canal's house for the wedding. She's already been up since 3:30. She rang me up at 2 o'clock to tell me that she'd be throwing up all night, and I'm still struggling with this cold, as you can hear. This is my attire for today. It's my sacrificial shirt and my sacrificial shorts, because they're going to be covered in shit and sweat and a whole lot. Oh, here he is. Here's our man here now, Long, in a pass app.
How are you?
How are you, man? Lovely to see you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for doing this with me. Oh, yeah, jump in. I'll jump in. So. Long and I want to know if there's music pumping already at 6 o'clock in the morning. There might be. It sounds like it. Let's have a quick look at the man that's up here. So we've got Lee, John Lee. Hello. Mr. Long, all dressed up, and Mr. Brossa, where did he go? Our other best man. We've got Wichana. Huh? She's worried we're going to videotape him now. You know, cousin, hello.
Hello.
We've got Bong Lin over there as well. She's had about 9 costumes on so far, just to get fitted out. Nah? And she's sick. Oh, it's just no cross her. This is my ringing best man. Very excited. Now, I've got my own black socks here. As part of the costume that I brought myself. And in case I didn't have socks, they bought me some backup socks. And here they are down here. Footy socks. It's not that uncommon to wear footy socks or long Nike or Adidas socks if you don't have any. I think I'll look alright with my black ones. Alright, 7 o'clock. 7 AM, we're going to do a quick walkthrough. It's pretty full on. There's no how to make a wedding. So here's the front of the house. And it's all decorated. And they have the photos we took the other day are displayed at the front. And have a look at that one. Isn't it the best photo? Or one of them. And here's the other one we got printed up. And that's a fair dinkum photo too, no Photoshop. That's a really awesome shot. So we've got all the kids dressed up, all the little ones that are going to be flower girls and things, you know. They look really good. The old man's dressed up. We come through the first tent. Stay. Yeah. Some pretty awesome sound system going on. Hello. And here's the fruit for the parade. Here's the fruit for the parade. Is this Nate? Give it a tour. Give it a tour. You've got this guy with his massive setup. Is this Nate? And the traditional band here. Is this Nate? Who are cracking in, doing a fantastic job. You on there? Oh, look at that sound system. Jesus. And then up here, it looks like this is where we're going to sit and have stuff done. So, they've transformed the place really, really well. And I think to have all this done only costs us about $1,500. I'll correct you if I find out otherwise. It's not that expensive, all things considered. There's Lee. Cafe. Lee's having a coffee. And I've got to do my hair. So we're going through our first costume change. After the first 2 hours or whatever it has been. And this is my underclothes, and they are not in a sanitary state. So far it's not too bad, it's not too hot. Everyone's eating breakfast. Let's go downstairs and have a walk around. Bong Lin. Wichana. It's intermission. Half time.
More video?
Yeah, lots of video, just of you. You're the most entertaining. Ah. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the reception. This is our lovely reception centre. The new Jasmine. Building A, not the decrepit building B that's over there. I assume this little spot here will be sitting for some portion of the evening. We've already had our first wardrobe malfunction where I'm supposed to bring black pants, but nobody told me. Hello. Let's go for a quick walk through the venue. Filming. And just show you what it's like before it gets pretty full on. So this is what I'm supposed to look like with black pants. Hey, hey, here's our entrance. Here's the money box, it looks like. Hair getting done outside. She's getting her hair done. And here we go, we walk through. Here's Boek. Hello, Boek.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, the aircon's on. Look at this. You're controlling the beer.
Yeah, looking there because we have the store in there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He's got a very important job. He had his first beer at what, 8 o'clock this morning?
Yeah, this morning, Antra.
Yeah, and sure, what, 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock?
From 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Good job. On there. So here's the table arrangement. Let's just pick a table at random. So you've got your selection of beers, which we've chosen Anchor beer, Anchor Puro water, and an array of soft drinks. I think there's Freshie in there. Is that a Freshie? Nah, it's not. It's one of those Jupe soft drinks. Yeah, there you go. This is all lit up very nicely, isn't it? Oh, that's fantastic. Thumbs up. Yeah, good job. No, what she's been. This is why she's been running around like a headless chook. All the sugar. My gosh. Look at the stage. And let's just... So, before we go to the stage, just get a feel for the size of the joint. And we'll just do a quick pan. I mean, that's reasonable. That's reasonable. You're hypo because you're hyped up on sugar, aren't you? Huh? She's going to go running off. There's the sound system, which is 100% treble. So there's some fruit and some Coke here. I think this will be some sort of festivity thing. Hello, is this they? Is this they? This is where the magic happens. Look at that. Hypo's back. Oh, Hypo's, hello. She's come give me a hug. She's going to try and duck me. There's more tables back here. Freaking huge. There's the full-blown Khmer wedding reception, which is huge. You might as well get a look at this while you can. So this is what we're doing today. So we get a nice dresser, if you like. It gets to put all of the decoratage on you, including things of gold and silver and myrrh. We're out here with Baicha. What's this name, Baicha? Have a look at those shiny things. Very nice. Very, very fancy. Very good. Lower that. He's going to have a couple, I reckon. Baicha na.
Hi.
Show me the mountain of your hair.
Yes.
Jeez, look at that.
It's called Mount Meru.
Kuala Mountain.
No, Mount Meru.
Meru.
Oh, Meru.
Yours is big too.
I'm so cute. Look at me.
No. You like my wardrobe malfunction?
Where's your memory?
I don't have some. On, what are we doing here?
Welcoming the guests.
So we stand in this hallway and we welcome the guests. David has kindly got me a nice cold, Australia cold Anchor beer. So apparently there's a heap of Chinamen out the front observing what's going on. Let's go have a look, shall we? Namsara? Have a look at this. Hello. So we've got the family over here. And we've got the two there. Hello, how are you? Hi. How are you? Hey, how are you today? Old boy pajamas came in just then, he wanted to take photos, so how good's this? What an audience that we've got. We're trying to get them all to wave. Ready? Wave hello? Hey! Hey! Alright, very good, number one. How good's that? Oh, this beer is so nice and cold. Canal's getting her photo taken with the tour group. How good's this? Oh. Superstar, no? Can I see? Can I see? Oh, very nice. Very nice. Yeah. All right. Photo as well? Hey. One photo. One photo. Hello, One, two, three.
1, 2, 3。
Hey.
你最丑了。
我最丑。
We say cheers. Hey.
握个手。
We're all taking turns now.
照一张。刚才脸是黑的。
好的很，好的很，好的很。
Thank you.
Thank you. 谢谢。Quick look in here. We haven't seen much of the action yet. Tell you what, it's pretty bloody full. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the chaos of our wedding. We've got people all around the globe. We've got people in the UK. Hey! Australia. Hey! Other places. Hey! All right. Thank you very much for being here. You've all done a fantastic job. It's good to be married. Now looks lovely tonight. She's had a full-on day.
Chà có xoáy chân cho má phải đi đâu xa. Chà xa. Chà.
So each trip be married. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you for being here. I hope you enjoyed your wedding. Our wedding. Our wedding. It's our wedding. Well done. I'm good with the pool.
Chà không. Chà lại không máu. Chà qua kia ấy lắm anh chui ở bọc ra ai ở mình sao đi tới. Chà. Chà ok chắc là không bóng chà. Mà đâu dạ.
Alright, we've got Stoney on the phone. Stoney, let's go up on stage. Dance troupe. So, as the guests come out, they come and put some folding in the thing. We've got our bookkeeper here, takes note of who gives what and how much, so we can return it. One way day, and then Canal hands them a strip of double mint gum. Give it a Blair. You changed again? we had to cut a lot of costs so we can get the Anchor beer bottles, which are pretty tins. Oh, that's fucking cool. Yeah. That was the first thing I said is I want the bottles. I want